So this was 1/4 inch hose, but the end of the filter is quite a bit bigger than 1/4 inch. So I already heated this in the microwave. I'm gonna put probably about an inch of this in the hot water. And then it gets soft. So I also have this flaring tool. It's just the stepped tool. I can get it so it gets a little bit bigger. Just need to get it on far enough to get the clamp on. It doesn't have to go all the way down, but you see how soft it gets. This side doesn't want to bend. It gets really soft. You can see I got it down more than halfway. We'll put 2 clamps on.